Kaveri,
Kalpata and Kalyani. We're the K3 Musketeers.
A few days back, we bought bananas after a long time. And because of coronavirus, we left the bananas in banana quarantine. But after a few days, they became overripe.
So when the bananas go overripe, many people tend to throw them away. But we have a recipe that lets you use overripe bananas and make cake.
Today, we're going to be teaching you how to make banana cake.
And now the fun question of the day. Do you friends know which country in the world is the largest producer of bananas? If you want to know the answer, watch till the end. And please do remember to like,
subscribe,
and hit that bell icon.
and also share.
Let's get cooking!
So these are the ingredients you need to make banana cake. You'll need 1 and a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 4 overripe bananas, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of oil or butter. Use any flavor. You can use any flavorless oil. Don't use coconut oil or mustard oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. As you can see, our bananas are extremely overripe. Usually when bananas reach this state, people tend to throw them out, but we don't. We keep them and we make banana cake out of it. So the first step is to take all the bananas and peel them. Yes. So the second step is to use a fork and smush the bananas. Okay. So you can leave them chunky if you want banana bits in your cake, or you can smush them till they're extremely smooth. So after smushing the bananas, I've gotten it down to this consistency. So I still have some banana chunks in it. That's because we like chunks in our cake. But if you want a smooth paste, you can mix it even more. But that's all up to you. Next, we're gonna add the oil. And the milk and the vanilla essence. Now we're mixing together all the wet ingredients before we add in the dry ingredients. We add our eggs by hand. And we mix all of these together. This stage we're also going to add in the sugar. Mix it together. So the next step is to take a big bowl and sieve our flour through it. We need to make sure that there are no lumps in our flour. We add in the other dry ingredients, that are the baking powder and the baking soda. Now we mix all of this together a bit. Okay. then add in the wet mixture we made before. Now we're going to use a whisk and mix all of this together. This is an optional step, but we always add a pinch of salt in our batter before we put it in to the baking tin, because the salt helps bind all the flavors together. And mix it well after you add the pinch of salt. To bake our cake, we're going to use a bread tin. But if you friends don't have a bread tin, you can also use any cake tin of this size. Now we're going to oil our tin. So we're using rice bran oil. You can use any flavorless oil. So now we're going to dust our pan. We're using flour. Now we're going to pour our cake batter in. Okay. Preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to bake the cake in the oven for 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes, this is how the cake's gonna look. So we're gonna test it to see if it's cooked. Okay. Yeah, it's the toothpick's coming out clean, so it's done. But if your voltage is low, or if your oven has low power, then you might have to cook it for a bit more. Done. So I finished making the cake and we're gonna try it now.
Let's try it. Let's try it. That's good. It's so good. You can have it as an evening snack or anytime with your tea. It's delicious. It's so moist and tasty. Now, the answer to that fun question is Mera
Bharat
Mahan are India. India is the largest producer of bananas in the world. So thank you for watching, and please do remember to like,
subscribe
and hit that bell icon.
also share
Bye.